You can embed any Google Drive documents inside any page or post using Integrate Google Drive's Embed Document module. To create an Embed Documents module, navigate to Google Drive from WordPress Dashboard, Module Builder, click on Add New Module, select Embed Documents module, rename the module based on requirement. From the Source tab, select Preferred Document Files to allow users view them directly. From the Filter tab, configure file visibility based on extensions, names, and others. From the Advanced tab, configure modules' advanced settings, such as Show File Name, Direct Media Display, Embed Type, Allow Pop-out, and others. From the Permissions tab, set permission settings for the Embed Documents module, such as Set Password, Set Module Visibility for everyone, or Logged in. Save changes, click on Embed button, copy shortcode, paste it inside any page or post to display the module. Users can now view shared Google Drive document files directly from WordPress platform.